I'm Owen Conner,
And I'm Gretchen Winterer.
curators at the National Museum of the Marine Corps.
Today is National Rum Day, and in honor of that, we're going to be making a traditional early American drink for you.
Anyone who's been around the Marine Corps has likely heard the legend of Tun Tavern during the Revolutionary War. The Philadelphia Tavern where the first Continental Marines were recruited. And while the history of the actual Tun Tavern is a little clouded, we do know a lot about the period and what they were most likely drinking.
The founder of Pennsylvania, William Penn, once noted that the consumption of rum punch in his colony rivaled that of beer. This was also observed by the governor of Virginia at the time during his visit to Pennsylvania, where he was entertained by local officials with a bowl of rum punch so large that it could fit a half a dozen young geese.
Rum punch was the preferred beverage across all social classes. Local owners of taverns across the colonies each had their own secret recipes. It was a truly global phenomenon, and it called for ingredients from all over the world, from the West Indies, East Indies, India, and even Southeast Asia.
But remarkably, anybody within a horse ride of a colonial port had access to it.
So, why rum? In his book, And a Bottle of Rum, A History of the New World in 10 Cocktails, author Wayne Curtis noticed that the most popular and democratic beverage in colonial America was rum punch.
During the 18th century, sugar was the most profitable crop of the New World. Sugar plantations across the Caribbean produced massive quantities for the Old World. As a result, they ended up with large quantities of its byproduct, molasses. Eventually, merchants learned that this waste could be repurposed, distilled, and sold in the colonies, and thus the rum trade was born.
The rum trade was a massive part of the New World economy and would remain so in America until the Revolutionary War. As relations soured, however, Americans would eventually turn to other crops, such as corn to make bourbon or barley for beers. But at the time of Tun Tavern, rum was by far the most popular and massively consumed drink.
So, let's
How do we make a
cocktail.
cocktail? First, you take a glass, your shaker, and you add the juice of half a lime. The only ingredients you'll need for this drink are limes, rum, and sugar, and just a dash of water. You take 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, maybe 2. It's okay.
And a quarter.
That's good. You add 1 shot, bigger or smaller, of rum, good quality rum.
Dark rum.
Yes.
Is it white rum?
No, dark rum's the best. It gives it the more traditional flavors. So then we get 2 ounces of water.
Clean water.
The most important ingredient. Combine. Shake.
Ready?
Yes.
And pour.
And there you have it, the colonial rum touch. And for a bit of class, you add a dash of fresh nutmeg. Enjoy.
Cheers.
Even today, the story of rum in the Marine Corps continues. At the end of mess nights, it is tradition for the last toast to consist of a rum punch. As Marines raise their glass to the Corps, they share this remarkable history from the first Marines of Tun Tavern to the modern Marine Corps of today.
Cheers.
And happy Rum Day from the National Museum of the Marine Corps.